I am Rizoi Bakhromzod, young scientist and a popularizer of science. I also teach at the university. In the modern world, science plays an important role. Therefore, it is very important that all segments of society have received important scientific knowledge. I will use social networks to convey information about the modern achievements in science and technology. I have a Facebook group with more than 5,000 members and have a YouTube channel with over 600 subscribers. I also often speak on state TV channels and talk about the role of science in the development of our society. I also proposed to the President of Tajikistan to organize a new competition in the exact and natural science. That is why the contest Ilm Frogi Marifat was organized. In the future, I plan to create a center for the popularization of science to broaden the horizons of the population.